Students, I'm going to explain about the small scale industries in India, a very important topic. In this topic, I'll be explaining the new definition of small scale industries in India, their importance, and also the present position or the latest data related to these industries in India. So, first of all, something about the importance of these industries. Small scale industries play a very important role in the economic development of the economy. They increase the level of employment in the country because they make use of the labor intensive technology. These industries bring about equitable distribution of income and wealth in the country. This means that the concentration of wealth in a few hands gets reduced when small scale industries are set up in the country. Then they also bring about a reduction in the pressure of population on agricultural sector. This means that the excessive population pressure on agricultural sector will be converted to the small scale industries or the agro based industries. Then they also increase the level of production in the economy because a wide range of products ranging from the consumer products to latest type of capital goods or producer goods are produced in these industries. They make use of less capital as compared to the large scale industries. Something more about their importance, they produce artistic type of products like handicraft goods are produced in these industries, ivory products or wood products, such type of products are produced in these industries. They make use of the local resources which are actually not used by the large scale industries. They also help in increasing the level of exports in the economy. They are complementary to large scale industries. They help in producing such type of components or inputs which are used by the large scale industries. The gestation period in these industries is quite short, which means that the time gap between the setting up of these industries and the final sale of their products, this very time gap or the gestation period is smaller as compared to the large scale industries. Now we come to the classification of the industries. Broadly, there has been a new definition of micro, small, and medium enterprises, and this definition was given on 1st of July 2020. Both the manufacturing and service enterprises are now included in the same definition. This means that earlier we used to have different definitions for manufacturing enterprises and service enterprises, but now both these enterprises are included in the same definition. All the small enterprises are included in the term MSMEs. Now, all types of small scale industries are included in this very term MSMEs, which stands for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Now, a revised definition of MSMEs has been given by the government. It was given in 2020. Micro enterprises are those enterprises in which investment in plant and machinery is up to rupees 1 crore. Small enterprises are those enterprises in which investment in plant and machinery is above rupees 1 crore and up to rupees 10 crores. Now, medium enterprises are those enterprises in which investment in plant and machinery is above rupees 10 crores and up to rupees 50 crores. Apart from these micro, small, and medium enterprises, which are categorized in MSMEs, we also have large enterprises. Large enterprises are those industries in which investment in plant and machinery exceeds rupees 50 crores. We also have the cottage or small scale cottage or the village industries, and these are the industries which are run as the whole time or part time occupation. They make use of full or partial help of the family members. They make use of small amount of capital as compared to the large scale industries. They produce traditional goods, and these are produced with the help of the traditional techniques. Some examples of MSMEs in India are hosiery industry in India, scientific instruments industry in Ambala, carpet manufacturing industry in Panipat, radio and television manufacturing units in Delhi. Now about the present position of MSMEs in India. In the year 2015-16, the total number of MSMEs in India was 634 lakh. The production of these industries was about 39 lakh crores. The employment in these industries was 1110 lakh persons, and they were producing about 8 lakh crores of export products. Something more about their present position or the latest data. All India census of MSMEs was for the first time conducted in India in 2006. 28% of MSMEs are in the manufacturing sector. This means that 72% of the MSMEs are in the service sector, so this is the dominant sector. 99% MSMEs are the micro enterprises, which means that 99% of the MSMEs are having investment of up to rupees 1 crore. MSMEs contribute 32% of GDP. Then MSMEs contribute 45% of the total manufactured output in the Indian economy. MSMEs contribute 48% of total merchandise exports, which is a considerable amount. MSMEs produce over 6,000 products ranging from traditional to very high-tech items. So in this way, this is the present position or the latest data of MSMEs in India. And in this very lecture, you have learnt about the MSMEs, small scale industries, new definition of small scale industries, which are now being called the MSMEs, the latest data about these industries and the importance of these industries in India. Thank you so much for watching.